Now this video is especially directed to you, the new prospect of OLSP. Now people are sharing their links, and you might be wondering what is OLSP. OLSP is an online affiliate marketing platform available globally. Now when you get into the system, you will come to know, or you will understand what is inside the menu and what is inside the affiliate programs. While these two provides two different trainings inside one marketing platform, those are things that provide you the training, the affiliate, how to do affiliate marketing. So now let's get into menu. So let's see how I can give you insights of what is inside the menu. So now when you purchase the product, you will be given or you will come into your dashboard, which is the menu, the affiliate, and the account. So now inside the menu there is available the all events that the system provides. Now the people are asking if it is legit and how many members are available inside. Well, this system has over 160k plus members globally, and inside the community you will come to know different people around the world are inside the system. So there you will see the second icon, which is the community. Now the third icon is your community, meaning once you become the leading header inside the system, there you can create your own group, and there you can coach, you can train, and whoever comes and joins you can also participate inside your group, and they will engage with you and with others around the world who is also inside the system. Now there's another one, which is the bonus valve. The bonus valve is about making your profile post or your pages and any social media becoming viral, and it gives you a fire at the back of your post, so your post reach many viewers. It can possibly reach many new clients as well. So now there's another one, which is the skill. The skill is the central part of where you learn how to do affiliate marketing. So when you come into the system, you will come to know about the skill center. The skill center is the 101 of OLSP system, meaning they provide every bit and pieces of knowledge on how to do your affiliate marketing. And the other one is the support. Support centers is where everyone asks questions. The OLSP services, the customer services, they are available inside the support menu. So if you have questions about OLSP, about your own products, about your affiliate marketing, or any issue that you want to know, just simply raise your ticket inside support center and just leave the message inside the system, so people available inside the system would respond to you. And there is another one, which is the leaderboard. The leaderboard is the monthly contesting leaders around the world, which scores high marks. They rank higher within the leaderboard. And the other one is the hub center, the hub sites. Hub sites is where you create your own website, meaning you market your own customized name, or the link is customized according to your name, and you do your marketing of under your brand name. And the other one is your AI profile. Now this is very important or very interesting, because that your profile AI is where you do all your AI script, because once you are given the task within your system, you just simply type or anything that you want your AI to respond to you according to where you are and which part of the world you are, because the AI, you train your AI to respond to you exactly according to your environment. So if you want to know, follow MapMasterJoel for more information, or inbox me and I will shoot you the personal website that I have, or the link of the mega link I have. So let's get in there and see what happened.